Investment world is a fascinating one. Behind all the glittering investment strategies, if you drill it down, it boils down to two broad themes in style. One is value, the other one is growth. We come from the school of value investing. We live and breathe nothing but value investing. If growth investing is all about chasing momentum stories that are fancied by the market, value investing is all about shunning these in favor of hidden jewels that are not flavor of the season. It's a low-risk, high-return model that delivers long-term outperformance, vis-a-vis growth investing that delivers short-term outperformance at the cost of long-term underperformance. It's the same model which Mr. Buffett has practiced very successfully and delivered spectacular returns to his investors over time. By practicing this philosophy on the ground, we at TrustLine have created stunning value for our investors over the last 6 years. Just to give a perspective on the returns, what we have delivered, our portfolio has done close to about 20% annualized returns over the last 6 years, vis-a-vis Sensex that has delivered more or less flat returns and small cap index that has delivered negative returns. This level of outperformance has enabled us to create a leadership position in the chosen target customer segment, which is senior management space in the corporate sector. Over the last 6 years, we have built an enviable client profile of CEOs and CFOs in this particular space. More importantly, we realized that to stay ahead of the curve, we need to align our interests with that of the clients. We did two things towards this. First, we designed a fee structure that's more from profit sharing than from fixed fee. We have one of the lowest cost fee structure in the industry. Second thing we did is to stay out of any conflicting business in the related space. Unlike competition, we are a boutique firm focused only on portfolio management services. Our story starts and ends with PMS. This is a very compelling proposition for our clients. The other thing we understood fairly early on, to create a sustainable value, our proposition needs to be unique with respect to the investment universe. If you look at the stock market, you have about 5,000 companies that are actively listed, out of which only about 3,500 is actively traded. The large funds and the institutions are present only in the top 100 stocks. In the rest of the space, in the top 1,000, there is an interesting space, companies with decent liquidity and market cap with promising potential. Our focus is on this space and we continue to build our expertise in this particular space. As a concept, value investing sounds simple though. The real challenge comes in execution and practice. A large part of success in value investing hinges on something called temperamental skills. If you study very closely the successful investment organizations across the globe, you will find that there is a common fabric that runs across these organizations. It's not any weird or technical or financial skills that gives them the edge. Of course, you need these skills, but that does not give the edge. There are certain qualities that runs across these organizations that forms the fabric or DNA of these organizations. These qualities like objectivity, rationality, self-awareness, and process and long-term orientation. In any business, more so in investment business, businesses are built or broken by the sheer presence or failure of these qualities. At TrustLine, we have built the organization very firmly on these qualities. This, along with deep research skills, form the core competency for us. At TrustLine, we believe that deep research skills is fundamental to delivering outsized returns. When research is complemented by contrarian approach, the rewards can be disproportional. As we look ahead, we want to build on this and further hone and sharpen these skills to deliver high value to our investors. We look forward to scaling and building TrustLine by attracting and acquiring customers with genuine long-term orientation. Thanks a lot, and we look forward to your kind patronage. Happy value investing.